Do you know the 10 steps to next level your success? Well, I'm just going to do a quick walkthrough of just that. Hi, I'm Fleur Allen. My business is called Ask Fleur. I'm a success coach and I share with business professionals success principles for them to build the business and life that they love. Essentially, it centers around revenue goals, but first we focus on you and your definition of success. So just to quickly walk through, the 10 steps to next level your success is exactly the program that I wrote for my one-to-one coaching clients. And I created a checklist and I created a workbook to make sure that I was supporting them and making sure we were going through every single step. Because with one-to-one coaching, it is bespoke, it's personalized, and you can go off on tangents that are necessary to uncover and address different areas of the business. And so I just wanted to make sure during the time that I worked with my one-to-one clients, we actually checked off all these steps. But in doing that, I realized it's a really, really valuable resource that I could share. So, what are the 10 steps? Step 1 is take 100% responsibility. Step 2 is clarify your purpose, know why you're here, what your passion is, why you do what you do. Step 3 is decide what you want. So that's all centered around goal setting and smart goal setting as well. But we take that even further to create a breakthrough goal. And I'm actually just making sure I'm going through this in the correct order. So we set a breakthrough goal, which is often a revenue goal, which transforms not only the business, but the life of the business owner, the business professional that's working through this program. Then we apply a SWOT analysis on your ability to succeed or what you need to address to be able to succeed and achieve your breakthrough goal. And then I share one of my most favorite parts of what I share is a premium client journey to focus on your very top clients that love what you do. They sing your praises in public and they just can't get enough of you. So how to look after them and how to get more of them. And then we move on to develop conversion documents, so communications that convert from interest to clients. We test and measure everything to make sure you're achieving your goals in this journey that you're creating for your clients. And to support you, not only talking about doing this, but to take daily action. That's where the rubber hits the road. And then I finish off with using a structure called Mackenzie's 3 Horizons and just using that as a tool so that you can create some short, medium and long-term goals for your business. So in a nutshell, that is the 10 steps to next level your success. But I want to highlight that the success that you're going for or wanting to achieve is exactly your success, your version of that. So we define what that is for you. That's why we go through things like taking 100% responsibility and clarifying your purpose. So it's personalized and it's bespoke to you. That's the 10 steps to not only grow your revenue, but to grow a business, build a business and life that you absolutely love. So join me, download that workbook, and let's get you started.